Welcome to Max Life Out. It's Oberon behind me. We're at Panther RV, and today we're getting fitted an air conditioning unit. We went with a DOMETIC Penguin II for its low profile, black to go with the van. Really excited to get it fitted. And I'm just going to introduce you to Carlos. Hey Carlos, how's it going?
Pretty well.
You're stoked to do this for me, huh?
Let's do it.
All right, what are we doing?
We're gonna center, we're gonna drill it right here, and we're gonna go check underneath, make sure, you know, we have an office space underneath. Right on. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm gonna drill it in the corner. We should be good at 7 inches this way and 7 inches this way. So
How are we width-wise for the lights?
I'm just gonna cut the hole right now, and after that, when we put the bottom parts, when we're gonna know how close we are.
Sounds good.
That's it. Perfect.
Happy?
So we gotta remove the panel so we can run the 110 wire between the ceiling panel and the roof. So the 110 wire is gotta come up right here. You
There we go.
Who's got I'm hardwiring the control box right now. So this plug goes into the control box, and I gotta hardwire this harness right here, and that's for my 12 voltage and for the thermostat.
we just fitted in air conditioning in Oberon. What do you think of it?
Well, it turned out great. Missed the lights. I started on up there. That's the best spot that we can find to put it in, and everything went good.
We're very happy. Thanks to Carlos.
Yep.
Thanks to Panther RV for doing this for us. And now we just got to go and spend some money. Until next time, Max Life out.